Hello, good evening students. So today in this class we are going to discuss about the topic which is very important topic from class 6, that is vitamin. That is vitamin. So we have started in the last class that different types of nutrients are there like the carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. So in this class we are going to discuss about the topic vitamin. So first of all, what is vitamin? It's a nutrient. We all know that vitamin it is a nutrient. It is a nutrient. It is one type of nutrient which protects our body. Which protects our body against or from many diseases. From many diseases. Okay. Protect our body from many diseases. And what is the other function? And keep us by preventing diseases. We keep we become healthy. We are healthy. So keep us healthy. Keep us healthy. So how do we get vitamin? From which food? What are the foods like the foods? Food. So we supply vitamin. After the examples of food, the food like the mango, guava, rice, wheat, wheat, fish, egg, okay, then meat, so etc. These are the food items from which we get vitamin. So how many types of vitamins are there? First, I should discuss about the different types of vitamins. So I have already told you what are the different types of vitamins. Vitamin A and vitamin B. Vitamin B is also known as vitamin B complex because there are different vitamins are there in B complex, B1, B2, B3, okay, B5. Then vitamin C, okay, then vitamin D. We mostly discuss about these types of vitamin A, B, C, D, and extra is also there like the vitamin E and vitamin K. So first of all, vitamin A. What is the role of vitamin A? Okay, like function. So what vitamin A do in our body? Vitamin A keep our eyes and and skin healthy. Okay, wait. Just give me some time so that I will erase it. So here we will discuss about the vitamin A. Okay. So vitamin A, what it does, keeps our eyes and skin healthy. If there is insufficient of vitamin A, what will happen? So with disease occurs due to deficiency of vitamin A. So the disease is night blindness. What happens in night blindness? Night blindness means in night time we can see, or also we call that like this. What are the symptoms? What are the symptoms? Symptoms of night blindness. What happens? Loss of vision. Loss of vision at night. At night. Or the complete loss of vision. Complete. It may happen. Complete loss of vision also. Then what could the other thing? This is the main thing. Loss of vision that may be complete or partial. Okay. And so that's why we should eat which type of food? Food containing vitamin A. Food containing vitamin A. What's the vitamin? Like carrot, carrot, mango, okay, carrot, mango, and what are the other food items that contain vitamin A? So these are the main food items. One we can eat barley. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's continue the class. First, read this. So I think I should erase carrot and mango are the main animals. Okay, so don't write barley. Then we are going to discuss about the vitamin B. Vitamin B. So vitamin B. What is the role of vitamin B? First, function. If we are going to talk about the function, then if we have sufficient vitamin B in our body, we do not feel lazy, we do not feel weak. So the function is we feel active and enthusiastic and energetic. We can do our daily work. Which deficiency disease is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D deficiency disease. That is very. We can remember this. Vitamin B start from letter B, and the deficiency disease of vitamin D also start from the letter B. So it's very. You can easily remember it. And what is the symptoms? Symptoms of symptoms of very disease. Very little energy. Little energy to work. Little energy to work. We do not feel to do any work. Okay. This is the symptoms of vitamin D. What are the foods? Foods which supply vitamin D. Food supply vitamin D. What are the foods are there? So mostly we get the vitamin D food from the wheat, barley. These are the foods, and other examples are then fruits. Fruit is also there. Fruits, vegetables, and fish, meat, Okay, these are the four formulas. These are the vitamin D. If we have vitamin D, then the deficiency disease very and the symptoms and very little energy to do. Very little energy to do work. Okay, this is then next vitamin C. Vitamin C. And there are also different other names of different vitamins, like the vitamin A, it's also known as retinal. Vitamin C is also known as curvy. Vitamin D is also known as calciferol. Vitamin E is also there. Vitamin K is also there. So different names are there. The vitamin K is also known as phyloquinone. Then vitamin D I have already said calciferol. Okay, so this is the name. So let's talk about the vitamin C. First, food sources. Food sources. From which food we get the vitamin C? Mostly remember the citric fruits. Citric fruits. In which citric acid is present, like lemon and orange. Okay, these are the fruits. Then again, you should remember amla and guava. Then chili, fish chili, green chili, green. These are the four sources of vitamin C. And what are the deficiency disease? Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease is scurvy. Which deficiency disease occurred due to the deficiency of vitamin C? That is scurvy. Okay. And the symptoms, what are the symptoms of the scurvy disease symptoms? Bleeding of gums, bleeding of gums. You should remember this, bleeding of gums. And it also keeps our skin healthy. There is some role of vitamin C also in keeping our skin healthy. Okay, we have discussed about the food sources and deficiency disease, that is scurvy, and the symptoms, bleeding gums. Okay, and there is one more symptom, that is when we injure or when we hurt by something, at that time the wound is there. So wounds take longer time. Wounds take longer time to heal. Longer time to heal. This is also one of the symptoms. Okay, remember this. The other name is what? Vitamin D, ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. And vitamin A, the other name of vitamin A is retinol. What is retinol? Vitamin B, the other name of vitamin B is vitamin B. Sorry, what is the name? A retinol, ascorbic acid, D. Okay, vitamin B is thiamine. Then C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin, we are going to discuss about the vitamin D also. That is calciferol. It is not important for you, but just know it. You don't have to write it. Just have an idea. You should have an idea. Vitamin E, tocopherol. What is the other name? Tocopherol. and last one is vitamin K. Vitamin K, also known as hydroquinone. Okay, I know. This is all for vitamin K. The last vitamin which we are going to learn is vitamin D, and everyone must have heard about the vitamin D because we get this vitamin mostly from our nature, like the sunlight. Vitamin D name is calciferous. You all know, I already write it. Okay, so right now we discuss about the food sources. Food sources from which we get this vitamin. Mostly we eat egg, or egg, then fish, then meat, then meal. Okay, one man thing is sunlight. Sunlight. So when we expose our body to sunlight, our body produces vitamin D. Then deficiency disease. What is the deficiency disease of vitamin D? One disease which is given in your syllabus is rickets, and there is another is osteomalacia. But only remember this rickets. This is in your syllabus. Osteomalacia is not in your syllabus. I will just write it so that you have an idea. You should know it. Okay. And what are the symptoms? Symptoms of this disease are bones. What will happen when there is deficiency of vitamin D in someone? Bones become soft and bend. Bones become soft and bend. Also very thin. Okay, bones become thin also. So this is all about the vitamin D. This is all for today. Have a good day, guys.